Welcome to the instructions video for the Pendulum Frequency Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you calculate the natural frequency, period, and angular frequency of pendulums, whether you're working with simple pendulums or more complex physical pendulums for engineering applications. To use this calculator, start by selecting your pendulum type, simple or physical. For a simple pendulum, enter the pendulum length in meters. Let's use 1 meter as our example. Next, enter the gravitational acceleration. We'll use the standard Earth value of 9.81 meters per second squared. If you're working with a physical pendulum, you'll also need to input the moment of inertia and the distance from the pivot point to the center of mass. Once you've entered your values, click the Calculate button. The calculator will display your results, including the natural frequency in hertz, the period in seconds, and the angular frequency in radians per second. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.